The Republic of Kazakhstan orders 2 Airbus A400Ms. The Republic of Kazakhstan has placed an order for 2 Airbus A400M aircraft and becomes the 9th operator together with Germany, France, United Kingdom, Spain, Turkey, Belgium, Malaysia, and Luxembourg. With the delivery of the first aircraft scheduled in 2024, the contract includes a complete suite of maintenance and training support. Together with the agreement, a Memorandum of Understanding has also been signed to collaborate on maintenance and overhaul services, and with the first step of creating a local C-295 maintenance center. The A400M will become the cornerstone of Kazakhstan's tactical and strategic airlifting operations, said Michael Schoellhorn, CEO of Airbus Defence and Space. This new export contract brings the total number of A400M orders to 176 aircraft, a figure that we expect to increase in the near future. With more than 100 aircraft delivered and 100,000 flight hours in operation, the A400M has proven its capabilities, reaching a state of maturity that many potential customers were waiting for. With the capacity to accommodate the country's inventory and conduct military, civil and humanitarian missions, the A400M will enable Kazakhstan to quickly respond to any mission by rapidly deploying game-changing capabilities over long distances and enabling effective access to remote areas.